Hey, it's JC. Welcome to the 12 Days of Wellness. This is a new video. First up, we did a 12-month calendar, how to schedule your whole life in probably a couple of hours even, and how to make sure that everything important is on there first, like holidays and me time and things that you've got planned already, events, weddings, important things at work or your business, birthdays, anniversaries, that sort of stuff. Um, we did that. We also learnt about the 5 M's little program: move, meals, mindset, mojo, me, and how that all works. Very easy little thing to do. Today, I want to talk to you about your mind. This little gem. It is Mind Mastery, the freedom formula for decluttering your mind, how to organize your thoughts, supercharge your productivity, and break free from low priority distractions the easy way. In here, we have a lot of stuff. So here's the thing: 3% of people make things happen, 10% expect things to happen, 60% watch things happen, 27% don't know what happened or may say something just happened. So I'm thinking that we're going to be in the 3% of the people that make things happen. And this time of year, it's all about reflecting on the year that is, the year that was, and what lessons we learned and where we could improve for next year, what our goals are for next year as well, who we want to become, and also to remember, maybe even writing down 100 things that you brought to the table and that you succeeded in or that you had a great time with. And it could be you went on a road trip and you saw something amazing, or you met a new person, or you had a great conversation. It doesn't have to be big, mind blowing things. It's just finding pleasure in the simple stuff. So, this book I wanted to talk to you about today, Mind Mastery, is all about organization and how to organize your life, your mind, to change some thoughts to make sure that you are thinking the best thoughts to achieve the goal or to achieve the action or to become the person that you want to be. How much, like, there's a whole section on nomophobia, the fear of being without our phones. Do the test in there. Actually, a lot scarier than you think. 79% of people check their phones while they're in bed. Now, I know Esther Perel said this as well, but I love Esther Perel. So if you are waking up in the morning and the first thing that you're touching is your phone and not your partner or yourself, there's a problem. There is a problem. Chapter 6: leftovers are for lunches, not loved ones. And this is all about changing the way we think and how to do more connection with the things that matter and disconnect from the things that don't. Um, Owning your mistakes and asking yourself questions, not just reacting to things. It has a whole chapter on what your values are. Like, have you done your values exercise? Do you know your top three, your top 10 values? My number one is connections, Value two, awareness, success, travel, fun, laughter. Um, there's a lot in here, techie stuff. Now, the techie stuff is simple techie stuff that I use, and one of them, well, I'll just show you the picture in case you haven't seen my other video, was this little guy here. It's a 12-month calendar that I have on my wall. I've just taken down now to do my 2025 version, and it's got everything in it for the whole year ready to go. So I can sit here and have a look at it and go, oh, yes, I can do a retreat in August. Yes, I can see that. Oh, no, I've got those things on that day. I'll have to do it this day. It's going from this to something that's a little more Google Calendar-ish, Asana, Trello, Monday. There's lots of different work apps that that can brain dump and be organized for your projects. 90-day plan. Top 5 things that you want to do in this quarter. Support. to-do lists, to done lists, to don't lists are more important. Where is your time being wasted? Like complaining, traffic, gossiping, TV, those sort of things, right? As a productivity section, living in your inbox, how to be more productive and focus on the right things and not the things that drain the life out of you. Um, so that this, it's got the 5 M's in there as well. So this book is for you. Positive productivity, 7 ways that a positive attitude can make you more productive. Attitudes of gratitude, how to win things, not as in the lottery, but how to just bring in more things that are working for you. Taking action today, templates, dopamine versus serotonin, and how to sleep better, how to breathe better, how to get more out of your body without expending more energy on your body. So that's that. That's what I want to talk about today. Free mind is free time. Same as when you clean your house. Tidy house is a tidy mind. So I will see you on the next video, and bye for now.